Water is one of the most important issues facing the world today and for the next few decades to come. 40% of the world's population already experience serious shortages, and water-related diseases fill half of our hospital beds. In Australia, water restrictions are increasingly common for domestic users in capital cities and regional centres. Fresh water is a finite resource. Only 0.3% of available fresh water can be accessed from lakes and rivers. Global water use is approximately 70% agriculture, 22% industry and 8% domestic. Reducing water consumption in all these sectors has become a priority for many governments and businesses. A growing list of countries are placing stringent demands on the amount of effluent that water users can create and dispose of. Companies with the technology and knowledge to recycle and change the way we use water are ideally positioned to enjoy the business opportunities created by international markets. Aquenox is an Australian company with a clear advantage in water treatment systems. Using the established principles of electrocoagulation and supported by 18 international patents, the Aquenox system has applications nearly everywhere water is used. Aquenox is a leader in systems choice for water treatment, for reuse, recycling, effluent management and materials recovery. Aquenox is based in Melbourne, Australia and is represented in Hong Kong and China. Installed, Aquenox units are both compact and low maintenance, with minimal consumables and relatively low electricity consumption. By using the modular platform of the Aquenox process, greater flow capacity is readily achieved. Treatment flow rates can range from as little as 5 litres per minute to more than 500 litres per minute. The range of electrochemical reactions that can be induced by the Aquenox process makes this technology suitable for a wide variety of applications. In the booming Australian mining industry, millions of litres of water is required at sites across the country to process minerals. Aquenox plays an integral role in recycling and reusing this water and treating the effluent to meet the required standards. The Aquenox process can also be used to recover valuable metals from processed water, tailings and other sources. In the food and beverage industry, Aquenox can remove fats, oils, greases and suspended solids to reuse or recycle water. Aquenox can remove materials associated with paints and dyes, petrochemical, pulp and paper processing and tanneries. Car wash and transport wash operators have been eager adopters of Aquenox systems. Municipalities and utilities present many opportunities for Aquenox in treating sewage and other waste services. As the largest users of water, agriculture and primary industries are becoming increasingly accountable. Aquenox provides water reusing and recycling systems for process and washdowns and for clarifying bore water to enable it to replace potable water. In many third world countries, such as Nigeria in Africa, the provision of clean drinking water is a major millennium goal of the United Nations. With hundreds of millions of dollars available in Western aid to solve ongoing water contamination problems in such countries, Aquenox is well positioned to pursue these opportunities due to its broad and readily deployable water treatment technology. To meet the needs of increasing numbers of homes adopting rainwater and grey water systems, Aquenox is developing a domestic unit that will enable grey water to be recycled simply and cost-effectively. Fitted to new homes and apartment buildings, or retrofitted to existing buildings, a typical system can save up to 50% of water used per year. Aquenox has the unique ability of creating small volume test systems that can be replicated to any scale. We have the resources to deliver solutions ranging from client-owned units to completely outsourced systems, including removal and off-site treatment of wastewater for resale. With the recent acquisition of Australian company Just Irrigation, Aquenox confirms its status as a leader in water treatment systems. From water reuse and recycle applications to water reclamation systems of precious materials, Aquenox is poised to become the first reseller of treated wastewater for resale to commercial and consumer markets. The future is clear. The opportunity is now. The answer is Aquenox.